Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Sherry 4x4. Today I'm out having fun reviewing this Jeep Gladiator. This is a 2022 Jeep Gladiator with the SCA Performance Black Widow package on it. This makes it a custom Jeep Gladiator. So the reason we do these videos is we recognize these Jeeps don't look like the factory Jeep that you have at your local Jeep store. So we'd like to do a video to show you all the cool stuff on this one that makes it custom, unique, and one of a kind, really. So let's get started. It's in the clear white on it. I like to call it white knuckle. It's a nice bright white. Looks good with the black accenting. Up front and center, we've got the Black Widow emblem, little spider up there, Spidey. And then this has the optional, it's a Jeep option, the Corning Gorilla Glass. I don't think I'd purchase a brand new Jeep without that glass. It's a really strong glass, less prone to rock, chip, and split on you. Then down here we got our little bit Black Widow Spidey down here. Simulated vented hood. It has the Mopar 7-slotted grill insert there in the satin black. And then also the front bumper here has been upgraded to the stubby bumper. Stubby bumper means it's not as long as your factory bumper. See the space here where you can see the tire? That allows the tire to drive over something like a big boulder if you go off-roading, instead of the bumper bumping into it. Now the front bumper here is all steel. Super strong, powder coated, 20-inch LED light bar in here. Got your tow hooks here, fog lights integrated, and then acts as a big giant skid plate up front here. Now as we get into the suspension down here, it's got a 3-inch suspension lift. Notice the coil springs and linkages are accent painted in that white. And then we've got 2 steering stabilizers. That allows this lifted Jeep Gladiator to drive, in my opinion, better than the factory ones. They really stick to the road and also the trail. Check this out, 37-inch, these are Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tires on it, 20-inch custom 4-play wheels, really looks good. It's got the 3-piece hardtop on it. Two front pieces are removable, like T-tops on a Camaro, you know. So that's nice. Look at here. So it's got your leather seating in here. Seats do fold up. You see that one's got for storage underneath. But the leather seating's been upgraded, custom seats. It's a nice durable leather, gonna last a long time for you. Up top here we've got sound bar. Really get jamming in this, have a lot of fun. That's what these Gladiators are about. Practicality, but a lot of fun. It's hard to drive one of these and be upset. We got our Black Widow badging, Jeep badging. Got spray and bed liner, which I always prefer. Helps you to use a truck as a truck and not have to worry about scratching the bed up. Set up the tow, you got your wiring, 4-pin, 7-round, and your towing receiver. That's the standard size towing receiver. So I believe this is equipped with the max tow package as well. So, which has the 410 rear end in it. Financing is available. One thing we do that make it super easy for you to see if you qualify, what your payment rate and term will be, is you can just enter your information in online on our website. So I'll post a direct link for you there if you have trouble finding it. But check that out. A lot of our customers do. Black Widow Spider there. Check this out. Dash looks nice and clean. See all this white here? This has all been painted by SCA. That's not factory. Looks cool, doesn't it? 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. This is a modern radio. It does everything you need. It's got backup camera. Let me put it in reverse. There we are. And then AM, FM, Sirius XM. You can control your climate on this. It's 2-zone driver and passenger. And then you can control heated seats, heated steering wheel in here. And it even has factory navigation, which is an option on this. Buttons and knobs for the radio and heat and air if you like that. And then down here we've got 12-volt power windows. And then this is where you plug in your phone for USB and auxiliary port. And then it's got a nice spot down here where you can actually slide your phone in. You got 4 auxiliary buttons here. What these are for like that 20-inch LED light bar is hooked into one of those. And if you want to add other lighting and things to the outside, this is how you get power to them. It's a nice, clean factory look for the buttons. Automatic transmission with manual shifting, and then manual transfer case. This is where you shift it into 4-wheel drive from 2-wheel drive to have some fun. Keyless entry with remote start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 62 miles on it. Automatic headlights, really a plush Jeep. Garage door openers there, so just a really fun Jeep to drive around. If you're looking for one, there are great deals on these currently here at Sherry 4x4. We got a great selection of them. Take a look at our website. I think right now there's, oh boy, there's a lot of them out here. So great selection. We got a great deal from the SCA on these, and we're passing that savings on to you. So act while supplies last, because and one thing I've noticed in the last couple years is inventory can be scarce sometimes. So thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you like these videos, and comment down below with anything funny or any good news you might have for the day. Take care.